Old Town in Bratislava, Slovakia. I was here to investigate a deadly attack that had terrorized this Central European city. It happened on the evening of October 12, 2022. That night, on Zamoska Street, three friends sat talking outside a gay bar they frequented.
Rok mi to bolo pre mňa také, že slobod. Veľa ľudí tam malo podľa mňa nejakú tú druhú rodinu, aspoň tí, ktorí neboli doma vyautovaní.
Radka Traksiarova was catching up with her friends, Matuš and Juraj.
Vonku, keď bolo teplo, tak boli 3 lavičky, kde sa dalo sedieť, ale žiadny stôl. Juraj bol od chrbta, lebo sedel. Matúš si zapálil, potom mu poviem, že si ešte niečo dám. A on si tak oprel, že hlavu o mňa.
Radka saw another person standing in the shadows, not far from the bar.
A vtedy niekedy prišiel, strieľal a tam stál. Naše prvé myšlienky boli, že tam stál, lebo je asi tiež queer a bojí sa prísť ďalej. A podobne, my sme sa mu aj pozdravili.
His name was Juraj Krajčík. He was 19 years old.
He was an intelligent student. He was very good in English. He was usually alone. It was not suspicious to anybody at that time.
But earlier that day, Krajčík had posted a hate-filled manifesto online, full of false narratives and racist conspiracy theories. He wrote that white people were facing a critical situation and that Jews and gay people should be eliminated.
Lebo asi kapucu určite na hlave. 40 minút približne.
Krajčík pulled out a gun and aimed directly at the three friends.
A on strieľal z tejto strany, čiže tam nie je šanca. A ja som počula, že ráchot, lebo tých 9 rán, ktoré boli, jediné, čo viem, bolo iba, že padol Juraj pred nás a Matúš ma zhodil celou váhou na zem. V úplnom začiatku nevedela, že tam je možno nejakých pár sekúnd vyblokovaných a nikto neprišiel, tak tam nebol tam priestor.
Krajčík fired twice more into the bodies on the ground. Then he fled into the night.
19-ročný mladík zastrelil 2 ľudí, údajne nenávidel homosexuálov.
Polícia po útočníkovi stále pátra.
Bol odhodlaný vykonať takýto čin, ktorý má znaky zásady teroristického trestného činu. We did not know what the motive was. We knew it was a murder in cold blood, but of course we didn't have the shooter who was at large moving around the largest center of Bratislava.
Polícia potvrdila, že nemal žiadneho komplicáta.
Slovak officials believed no one else was involved in the shooting, that Krajčík was a so-called lone wolf. But his manifesto contained clues that in fact he'd been radicalized by a global community of online extremists to commit an act of 21st century terror. The Bratislava attack is important because it's a pure example of how influencers today can encourage and inspire other people to go out and commit acts of terrorism. It explains and shows how terrorism works today.